Whoa! How did you do this? I'm free! Look at that, Joker! It's the whole station! We'll be back inside in no time.
Look at that, absolutely precise. A perfect job if I do say so myself. This police station is going to be magnificent. Look at that rebar frame.
It's perfectly aligned.
Marvelous construction. Wow, look how straight that is. It's looking great. Keep going. They're building our new headquarters quite nicely. Yes, top quality construction for our eventual breakout. Look at the craftsmanship on that wall. Yes, it's coming along splendidly. I can hardly wait. We need the mini tractor construction team right now. The field is completely dry. We can't continue farming.
We have an emergency at the chili field, and you need to get the tractor here right away.
I'm on it. That's it. Keep going. We need this water for the crops. It's almost done. Time to take these to the market. Safe travels. Bring back a good price. The trolley is stuck deep in the mud. How are we going to get the chilies to market now? We did it! Hooray! It's moving again. Look at all these coins. We sold almost everything. It was a great harvest.